Parties are all about colors, laughter, and fun. But have you ever wondered what makes them so special? Let's explore the most popular party items that turn any celebration into a blast. Aster Basics. Party decorations. Every great party starts with decorations. Balloons. No party feels complete without colorful balloons floating everywhere. Confetti. Tiny paper sprinkles that make every moment look like a celebration. Streamers. Long, twisty ribbons that dance through the air and make walls sparkle. Banners. Hanging signs that shout out happy birthday or any fun message you want. Ribbons. Shiny strips tied around gifts or hung up for that extra touch of festivity. Fairy lights. Twinkling lights that make any party space glow like magic. Paper lanterns. Bright hanging globes that bring color and charm to the party. Garlands. Chains of paper, flowers, or fabric that decorate walls with joy. Flowers. Fresh or fake, they add beauty and fragrance to every celebration. Party backdrop. The perfect background for photos and party selfies. Table centerpiece. A fun or fancy decoration that grabs attention right in the middle of the table. Photo booth props. Funny hats, glasses, and signs that make photo time extra silly. Candles. Soft glowing lights that make moments feel warm and special. Party signboard. A cheerful welcome sign showing where the fun begins. LED letters or numbers. Big glowing letters or numbers that spell out names or ages and style. Party fun and accessories. Let's get the celebration started. Now that our party space looks fabulous, it's time for the fun part. The celebration begins. Party hats. Colorful cone hats that make everyone feel like the star of the show. Party horns or blowers. The louder the bigger the fun. Masks. Cool disguises that let you become anyone for a while, a hero, clown, or monster. Crowns or tiaras. Sparkly headpieces for the party kings and queens. Glow sticks. Bright sticks that light up the dark with dancing colors. Bubbles. Shiny floating bubbles that turn any place into a wonderland. Piñata. A colorful shape filled with treats. Break it open for a candy shower. Party games. Fun activities like musical chairs, treasure hunts, or pin the tail. Photo booth frame. A big frame for snapping perfect party selfies with friends. Temporary tattoos or stickers. Fun designs that stick on your skin and come off easily. Face paints. Turn into a tiger, fairy, or superhero with a splash of color on your face. Party music or DJ. Beats and tunes that make everyone jump up and dance. Magic candles. Trick candles that relight themselves, surprise every time you blow. Party favors or return gifts. Little thank you gifts that make guests smile when they go home. Gift bags or wrapping paper. Bright and shiny wraps that make every present look exciting. Food and treats. The sweetest ending. After all that fun and laughter, it's time to enjoy the yummiest part of any party, the food and treats. Cake. the heart of every party, sweet, creamy, and perfect for blowing candles. Cupcakes. Mini cakes that are just the right size for everyone to enjoy. Cookies. Crunchy, chewy bites of happiness in every shape and flavor. Donuts. Round, frosted rings of joy with a hole in the middle and sweetness all around. Candy or sweets. Tiny treats that bring big smiles, colorful, chewy, and fun to share. Popcorn. The crunchy favorite that pops with fun during movies or parties. Chocolate fountain. A flowing mountain of chocolate for dipping fruits and treats. Ice cream. Cool, creamy scoops that melt hearts and beat the heat. Cake pops. Little cake balls on sticks, easy to eat, fun to hold. Macarons. Colorful, soft, and sweet, a fancy treat that's always camera ready. Mini sandwiches. Tiny, tasty bites that are perfect for snack time. Fruit platter. A rainbow of fresh fruits that adds color and health to the table. Cheese platter. A savory twist for those who love something a little fancy. Punch bowl or juice dispenser. A big bowl of fruity fun where everyone can sip and smile. Party snacks. Chips, pretzels, and crunchy munchies to keep the fun going. And that's how every great party comes to life, with dazzling decorations, endless fun, and delicious treats. Which party item is your favorite? Balloons, games, or cake? Tell us in the comments and keep the celebration going. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to Aster Basics for more fun and educational videos for kids.